I love Japan. My name is Fujii. I will introduce delicious Japanese food and wonderful products. This time, I would like to introduce instant food. The first being the classic Yakisoba. Remove the bag containing the green seaweed and pickled ginger from the lid. Sprinkle this as a finishing touch. Remove the lid from the point marked 1 to 2. Remove the bag containing the sauce. Pour boiling water into the cup. Pour hot water up to the line on the inside of the cup and put the lid on. Place the sauce you took out earlier on top and warm it up. Wait 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, turn over the black part with the number 3 written on the lid. Drain the hot water in the cup completely. Shaking makes it easier to drain the hot water that has accumulated inside the noodles. Open the lid and mix the sauce and noodles. This yellow bag can also be cut from anywhere from the triangle mark. No scissors required. Finally, sprinkle green seaweed and pickled ginger to complete the dish. The taste of the sauce is just right to whet your appetite. You can enjoy the change in taste by sprinkling green seaweed and pickled ginger. The next thing I'll introduce is soba. There are many types of soba. This time I will introduce tempura soba. Please be careful when adding it to the cup as it says, add later. To make this soba, first add powdered soup, then pour hot water. Wait 3 minutes, then open the lid and loosen the noodles. Add tempura. Next, sprinkle with shichimi, which can be as spicy as you like. The noodles look like this. Tempura soba is added later so it's crispy. The next dish I would like to introduce is also tempura soba. I will introduce the different timing of putting the tempura on top. To make this instant food, pour hot water into a cup that already contains tempura. This bag is divided into 2. The one labeled shichimi togarashi is the spice, and the one labeled soup is the soup. For instant noodles, you usually have to wait 3 minutes. Since the tempura is added from the beginning, the taste of the soup is soaked into the tempura. Contains kamaboko, minced fish meat. The taste of tempura is different. Next is seafood noodles. You can eat this just by adding hot water. Most instant noodles are made by pouring hot water into the cup up to the line. Then wait 3 minutes. Scrambled eggs. Spring onions, squid, crab-flavored kamaboko. I forgot to take a video, but it also contains cabbage. The soup has a rich flavor with the flavors of pork bones and seafood. It also has a curry flavor. The soup has a curry flavor. The ingredients include potatoes. Recommended for people who like Japanese curry. Seafood noodles have a famous arrangement cooking method. Add warm milk instead of boiling water. It's the same except for the milk. Just wait 3 minutes. The taste is creamier than seafood noodles made with hot water. There is also a brand of seafood noodles called
a brand that pursues a balance of deliciousness and the 33 types of nutrients set by Japanese dietary intake standards. Add the red bag powder sauce and the blue bag seasoning oil just before eating.
We will pour out the hot water later, so leave the lid up to this point. Pour boiling water up to the inside line of the cup. Warm the seasoned oil by placing it on the lid. Wait 5 minutes for this instant food. This instant food also drains hot water. This red bag can also be cut from anywhere from the triangle mark. No scissors required. Mix the sauce and noodles. This is cabbage. This instant food contains the same ingredients as seafood noodles.
I don't understand the difference in taste.